The main idea behind the S1 was to create a machine which is lightweight, good looking, modern and has heavy torque. Behind of me you see a machine from the workshop which is already heavily tested, which is one of our first of a kind. So we will show you some features from the near looks. The main features of the S1 is the high speed, which is up to over 30 meters per minute, lightweight construction, which is also robust, but on the other side, it's very movable. You can take it to the side or you can have it in the workshop. When you would like to bring the S1 in order compared to all the other Schwartmanns machines, then we start with the smallest, with the BD. Then we have the S1 as the starter inside of the bigger beading machines. Above the S1 we have the SMA 56, which is compared to the S1 not so flexible, not so lightweight, has more torque, but is the machine where you want to go when you think of your workshop. The S1 is more the difference between you can take it on site and has it also on the workshop. It's more flexible. And on top of that, we have the SMA 80. The SMA 80 has the biggest shafts, the highest torque and the biggest diameter in rollers, but it's the machine when you have high workloads of like 2 millimeters of stainless steel. Even though we are from the technical department, we also think about your purse and about the costs of the machine. Therefore, with the reduced power consumption, you can save hundreds of euros when you compare this machine to similar machines which are on the market at the moment.